we can have more list comprehensions. Here we have we are trying to build a list of squares, and we are squaring the elements from 0 to 9. And here we can do the same. We have seen this map function before a bit. So we map this lambda function to the whole iterable here. Next forward, we can, and we use the lists here because map is a map object, and here we have to list it. Here we can also do this kind of list comprehension where we do just x square for x in range. Here we can also create those kind of tuples. We will see tuples just after this one, and we can have like a couple for x in 1, 2, 3, and for y in 3, 1, 4. If x depends of y, we have the combinations here. This is the same as twice in this one. So with list, this is what is list comprehension in Python. So we the outer loop is always here, the inner loop is after it, and we do the condition. So this append, the element you append here is the element you write it here, and this has to be between this this parentheses. Next, we have a vector. We do the list comprehension as we have seen. We multiply each element by 2. Here we can also like select just the elements that are superior to 0. We can check the absolute value of each element, which is the make them positive. Here we have a list of fresh fruits, and here we can strip. There is a function which is strip, a string function, that we can take out these spaces from it. And we have the list without spaces. We can use the same, create lists, a list of elements from just one variable iteration, and create as much as we want, x3, and we have them here. It's kind of this one. Here we have a little error, just to make you to show you if you don't use actually those parentheses, you have an error. So those parentheses, you have to use them. This one, it will flatten this list. So it's for number. It's number for elements in vector. Elements in vector is this one, and for num in elements, and for num in elements, and they take this one, number in elements. We can also do more advanced operations with math, pi, and try to extend the rounding of pi.